Hi guys, hindi sana ako papatol dyan sa isang professor na sikat dahil na-invite daw siya sa iba-ibang international media. Tsaka marami siyang sinasabi tungkol sa kanyang credibility at tsaka sa kanyang background. Okay, nagturo daw siya doon sa isang masikat tsaka malaking eskwelahan. Yung si eskwela na sinasabi nagturo siya, nag-aral din ako doon at nagturo din ako doon, okay? Hindi ko sana siya papatulan, but this guy has a big mouth but small brain. Lalo na nung sinabi niya ang comparison natin sa ibang bansa. Okay, let me tell you, if you're watching, Professor, I'll read to you exact data that you're talking about, okay? The Human Development Index, yung sinasabi mong HDI, is a composite statistics used to rank regions and countries based on human development levels, considering factors such as life expectancy, education, and per capita income. Now, ito ang bibigay ko sa iyo. Comparing the Visayas region of the Philippines to South Africa, ito ang lumalabas sa aking research. Philippine Visayas region, where I came from. My mother's from Danau, Cebu, but my father's from Pangasinan. And this is the research na ginawa ko. Sana gawin mo rin. Western Visayas Region 6. In 2019, this region achieved an HDI of 0.761 categories as high human development. Okay? Ang Central Visayas Region 7. The 2019 HDI was 0.704, also falling under the high human development category. Eastern Visayas, Region 8. This region had an HDI of 0.689 in 2019, which is considered medium human development. But in South Africa, as of 2021 South Africa's national HDI was 0.713, indicating slightly high human development. Comparison. Both Western and Central Visayas region have HDI values comparable to or higher than South Africa's national HDI. National na to, region lang pinag-uusapan natin. Reflecting similar levels of human development. Eastern Visayas, however, may have the slightly HDI, indicating a moderate disparity in human development within the Visayas region. Okay? It is important to note that HDI values can change over time due to various factors including economic development, policies changes, and social programs. Therefore, mas importante sa atin, ang tignan natin ang holistic development na nangyari sa Visayas. I wish you do what I did. Do not say that if we give you some research or some data or comment because we are coming from the south, we are automatically the DTI or Duterte 30 trolls. That's not true and that's false on your side. Wag naman ganon. Do not underestimate the Visayas and Mindanao because you are only from the north. I am both from the north and from the south. To be honest with you, you can check with Comelec. I did not even vote for Duterte. Remember that. So don't claim that Africa is better off when it comes to HDI and then comparing our place in Visayas and Mindanao as less intelligent or as less HDI. I hope you understand that. Thank you, Professor. And I hope we can meet together and challenge each other on comparative analysis. Maganda siguro yan. If you want to have a challenge or you're accepting my challenge, we can use DWIC. Thank you very much.